Welcome back everyone. As you can see, I am here with another video. I did end up buying the Copic set. This is the set of 36. As you can see, they are quite good markers so far. They have a nice selection. It's not as much as the Ohuhu that I bought originally, but they look like they can they look like a good set, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how these color. So let's take a look. They have 2 points. One point is long and thin, which is much different from the Ohuhu, which is a bit shorter, and of course there is the wider tip. Today I'm going to be doing Scribble Art. Now, Scribble Art is just exactly as it sounds. You are scribbling some images, some shapes, some lines on a piece of paper, and we're going to try to create something beautiful out of it. So let's get started. As you can see, I am slowly just scribbling all over my page. Once I'm finished doing this and completing my image and I'm satisfied with it, I'm going to go in with the fine tip and just round out the edges. Some of the lines I'm going to leave a bit thicker. Some of the lines I'm just going to leave as they are. And I'm going to go around and do this for the entire drawing, and then we'll be able to start coloring it in. I'm finally satisfied with my scribbles, and this is the final product. As you can see, I have selected just a few markers from the Copic set that I do want to try, but I might use some of my Ohuhu colors just for variety, and we will just start coloring the shapes one by one. That's worked out real well. I'm going to start blending some of the pink and just add some more pops of color and see how it goes. And this is the final product, my Scribble Art. Simple, easy, colorful, and very relaxing. Congratulations everyone! You've just completed your first Scribble Art. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.